push notifications on your mobile app. Go to, from your dashboard, Site, and on the left hand side scroll down to Push Notifications underneath the mobile app. Click Push Notifications and this will bring up the page. Now, what are push notifications? These are notifications that you send out to anyone using the app, and you can send this out at any time. Things to bear in mind is you need to enter the title for the push notification, the message you wish to send. You can select specific members, or you can send the push notification to all members that are using your app and are enrolled in your courses. You can also set an action when clicked. Go to a course, go to a funnel, or go to a URL. When you set these up and hit send, it will send it out to all members on their mobile, allowing them to see this notification and take action upon it. All sent messages will appear in this section down here. We have made this really easy for you to use push notifications to send messages out to your app users.